What is the difference between the Bluetooth disconnect and unpair on your Samsung or Android device? Now both Bluetooth disconnect and unpair on Android devices affect your connection to another Bluetooth device, but they serve different purposes. With the disconnect, it is a temporary break in the connection between your Android device and a Bluetooth device. Think of it like posting a song. The connection information is still stored on both devices. You can easily reconnect by turning Bluetooth on or off, selecting the device, and possibly tapping on the connect button. Useful when you want to conserve battery or temporarily stop using the Bluetooth connection. But later on, if you want to quickly reconnect to your Bluetooth, you can do so. Now with the unpair option, it is a permanent removal of the connection information between your Android device and a Bluetooth device. Think of it like deleting a song from your playlist. You will need to go through the pairing process again if you want to connect in the future. Useful when you no longer use the device, want to connect to a different device with the same name, or troubleshoot connection issues. So if you are connecting this, say, Galaxy Buds to this device, if you don't unpair it, then you will have a difficult time connecting this or pairing this Galaxy Buds with another mobile device. So before you can pair this one with another device, you need to unpair it. So that is the difference between the two. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.